Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Daily Tutorials, where I provide you with daily tech tips and helpful guides. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can log into your online banking account for BMO Harris Bank. First, make sure you have a good internet connection and it's working properly. Then go ahead and open up a web browser. On the search bar, type in bmoharris.com and then press enter. Once you land on this page, click on the option that says sign in the top right corner, which is right here. And then click on the option that says BMO Digital Banking. Now you have to type in your user ID here, your password here, and if you want the bank to remember your information, you can turn this on and then click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, you should be successfully logged into your online banking account for BMO Harris Bank. And that is it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides just like this.